Hey there DIY coders. So this will be a little bit of a different video. We will be introducing to you Discord. So what is Discord? Discord is, as it advertises itself and based on my experience, it's generally two things. It's one place to build a community of highly engaged members or users, as well as a place where you can communicate with your friends while you play video games. So what sorts of features does it have? It has voice calling, it has video calling, it also has screen sharing, picture messaging, even GIF messaging. And let's not forget the most basic feature any online communication software should have, which is texting. So with all these methods of communication, you can communicate through these methods with friends, a whole community, or just one-on-one with someone. So if you're a social media junkie, you'll find familiar features like quoting or replying to a message, reacting to messages, using custom emojis, editing or deleting messages. Although you may find a couple of unique features that come with Discord, such as reacting with custom emojis, as well as messaging a particular group of people within a community chat room. So with Discord enabling you to create this community, you will need tools to manage this community. And luckily for us, Discord does provide such tools. So the things they provide are things like audit logs, permissions of what users can and cannot do within the chat rooms, and being able to have multiple chat rooms for different purposes. One big feature that Discord has for community building platforms is a feature they call bots. So bots can do various things like banning members automatically, filtering out bad words, collecting statistical data, or just about anything you can program up with Discord. And you don't necessarily have to program your own bot. You can take someone else's creation and put it into your community. The Discord doesn't limit you to one community. You can be a part of multiple communities. You can be a part of one community. You can create as many communities as you like. So if you're interested in using Discord, they'll be available in multiple platforms. You can use it through their website. You can use it on their app for both iOS and Android. You can also use it on desktop for Mac, Windows, and Linux. I want to give a special shout out to Regulators Gaming for suggesting that I make videos about Discord. Making this video was particularly challenging, as there was a lot more edits to take care of to at least make this video at least a little bit bearable. So hopefully you guys can leave me a like, because it was definitely difficult. And if not, well, I'll let you do it. And comments are always appreciated down in the comment section below. And if you think I've earned it, there's like a subscribe button somewhere around here. And that's it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.